All right, Zora, thank you. It has been nearly 2 weeks since the DMV transitioned to appointment only, and the goal was to help us all out, right? So limit those lines that we've seen outside, also cut down on wait times.
But this morning, we are learning there are still a few things that need to be fixed. Our Alyssa Bethencourt joined us now live from the DMV in Spring Valley. And Alyssa, how has the change been going?
Well, Justin, Kalina, this switch surprised a lot of people. You'll remember when we were out here last week, there was a line stretching around this building. A lot of people simply could not believe that they needed an appointment and they could not walk in. Well, this morning we're dealing with the same problem. Check this out. This is the DMV off of Flamingo. You can see a lot of people camping out here with their chairs and blankets. They look pretty cozy and they have no idea about this change. Now, again, the DMV says the reason for the online switch was to reduce those wait times, but they also noted not having enough staff to handle high customer demand. So to help compensate for the change, the DMV added 4,000 new appointment slots per week at locations across the valley. Even with that, we're learning it could take weeks before anybody is able to snag an appointment.
We have a long ways to go. We're doing our 4-year transformation effort where the DMV is going to be moving more and more services online. Everyone's been able to make the appointments. They've been booked up pretty good, so they're a few weeks out again. We are going to keep monitoring this and watching it to see if we can open new appointments.
So again, back out here live at the DMV off of Flamingo, you're looking at a crowd of people waiting to get inside, not knowing about this appointment-only switch. But Kalina, Justin, when we were out here last week, we were also addressing a few concerns, right? Specifically for people that aren't proficient with using the internet, maybe don't have internet access or don't speak English. Well, the DMV says they are working to tackle those problems. They have people available here on site at all of the DMV locations ready to answer questions and help people book appointments if they're struggling. One more thing, and this is really important to mention, the DMV is allowing walk-ins on Saturday. However, they say be prepared to wait a long time. For now, reporting live in Spring Valley, I'm Alyssa Bethencourt.